A historic winter storm is unleashing chaos across large swaths of the United States, bringing blizzards, nail-biting cold, and widespread power outages. The massive system has claimed over 100 lives, crippled travel, and left hundreds of thousands in the dark. I leave you with these visuals. More news and headlines after the break.
With storms like this, we're preparing, ensuring our generators are ready to go, sure we have gas for our generators, making sure our vehicles are fueled and we have enough food to last us a day or two just in case the weather does unexpected actions.
Most I've seen in my 65 years for Wayne County, North Carolina. I've seen more overseas, but for Wayne County, this is a pretty big event.
And while these efforts will continue, I want New Yorkers to remain prepared for the intense cold that continues to brace our city. This is one of the longest, most sustained cold stretches our city has endured in years, and it is showing no signs of abating. We remain in a code blue.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.